Hello, in this video I want to show you how to delete Instagram Reels from profile grid and how to add Reels to profile grid. First you need to open the Instagram. Here go to the profile page and then add some new post clicking on the plus. And here I want to download some Reels. For example this. And then click on the next. Here click on the share and just wait for loading sharing to Reels. And as can we see, I have in my profile grid the Reels video. If I want to delete these Reels from my profile Instagram grid, I just go to the first button here and click on these Reels. Then find the three dots on the top right corner of the Reels. Click on it, and here I can find the remove from profile grid. Just click on it and here find the remove. Click on the red remove button and as can we see, it work. This all for today. Goodbye.